Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's get started with a beautiful dot mandala with shades of brown in this 14-inch board. Let me start dotting in the center with sky blue. I'll keep some dots in flesh tint. Let me keep tiny dots in flesh tint. Let me keep some dots in Indian red. I'll keep tiny dots in Indian red. I'll keep some dots in light brown. Let me do some tiny dotting. Let me keep some brown dots. I'll do tiny dotting in brown. I'll keep some plumpy dots in sky blue. Let me make these dots into swipes. I'll keep some dots in flesh tint. I'm going to work the dots around these swipes. Let me keep some brush strokes in Indian red. I'll keep some more brush strokes in light brown. I'll keep some brush strokes in brown. I'll keep some brush strokes in Indian red. Let me keep some sky blue dots. Keep some dots in flesh tint. I'm going to work the dots both the sides. I'll keep some dots in Indian red. I'll work the dots in Indian red. I'll keep some brush strokes in flesh tint. I'll keep some brush strokes in light brown now. I'll keep some brush strokes in brown. In these places, I'm going to keep a dot. I'll keep lumpy dots in sky blue. I'll make these dots into swipes. Let me keep some sky blue dots. I'm going to keep a dot just above these blue dots. I'll keep 2 side swipes. I'll keep some brush strokes in brown. I'll keep some dots in flush tint. I'll keep some plumpy dots in Indian red. I'll make these dots into swipes. I'm sure this mandala came out really beautiful. What other alternate combinations you would suggest for the same design? Let me know in the comments, and thank you for watching this video.